Later part, implement ang ikalkaya. Argument is that majority or male dominance over women is a fundamental of human family. He posted that the prehistoric ay wala lang lasa ko. Including land and food. In these early stages, there was relative gender equality, as there was no significant population. However, according to Engels, the development of agriculture and domestication of animals brought about significant changes. These changes resulted in increased agricultural productivity and application of surplus resources beyond what was needed for immediate consumption. With surplus resources came the emergence of private property as individuals and families could now claim ownership of land and produced. Engels argued that private property led to the desire to pass down and accumulation from one's skills, which created the need of inheritance. In this context, male dominance was established as a means of authority, patrilineal descendants. Engels believed that the family structure transformed from one based on collective ownership and operation to one rule of patriarchy, where women were subjugated and directed the roles primarily to focus on domestic labor and child education. And the story is often referred to as the patriarchy hypothesis. While it is influential in shaping our understanding of the historical relations between gender, property, and power, it is important to note that this has also been subject to criticism and debate. Critics argue that it oversimplifies complex historical processes, and the origins of patriarchy are multifaceted, including cultural, social, and economic factors. Despite his criticism, Engels' work remains valuable for its contribution to the broader discussion of how economic and social changes can influence gender roles and power dynamics in society. His ideas have spurred ongoing research and debate on the complex interplay between economics, gender, and the evolution of human society. Oh, maintindihan yan! So, who is Frederick Engels?